Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to limit download speed on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and you can see your main Steam library or dashboard, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window. You'll see the word Steam there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings to access Steam's configuration panel. After clicking Settings, a new window will pop up showing various customization options for your Steam client. On the left side of this window, you'll find a vertical list of categories. Click on Downloads to access all the settings related to how Steam handles your game downloads and updates. This is where you can control bandwidth usage and optimize your download experience. Now, within the Download section, look for an option labeled Limit Download Speed. Right beside this label, you'll notice a toggle switch. Click on this toggle to turn it on. Activating this feature allows you to set a specific maximum speed for your Steam downloads, which is particularly useful if you want to reserve bandwidth for other online activities like streaming or video calls while still downloading games in the background. Once you've toggled the option on, you'll see a text field appear where you can enter your desired speed limit. This field accepts values in kilobits per second. For example, if you want to limit your download speed to 100 megabits per second, you would type 100,000 in this field. Remember that 1 megabit per second equals 1000 kilobits per second, so do a quick calculation based on your preferred speed limit before entering the value. And that's it. You've successfully set a download speed limit on Steam, giving you better control over your internet bandwidth and ensuring other devices or applications on your network can run smoothly alongside your game downloads. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.